I absolutely did. I said, we can't let this go.
Lisa called up her friend John O'Brien, reporter with Syracuse.com. She says, you've always told me to call you when I had a good case.
He's snoring.
Lisa had a morsel that intrigued her. And this was the first time